We are looking at the area of digitalisation, and one of the areas that the Irish Medtech Skillnet are provided is a Masters of Digitalisation in Engineering, and we currently have associates who have completed their Masters successfully, and we have associates who are currently completing the course at the moment, and that is future-proofing one of our skills or gaps that we need for the future.
My name is Yoenny Gomez. I'm currently a Senior Engineer Manager. I've been with Alcon for the last 11 years. Right now I'm in charge of what we call automation, packaging and labeling.
Back home they always encouraged me to study, and which is my driving force now. And later in 2018 I moved to Ireland to pursue my Masters in Cloud Computing, from NCI. So later I joined Alcon, and now this is my second Masters. Yeah.
Yes, we have a very long relationship with the Medtech Skillnet, and they've always been there to support what we've been doing in relation to the skill set we need, the technology changes, so to support us along the journey. So it's really nearly like a personal relationship we have. I find dealing with the Irish Medtech Skillnet fantastic.
Part of our development plan is just to identify where the gaps in skills are compared to where we want the company to go, and then we just channel our people towards achieving or closing those gaps. Skillnet is fundamental for that, because the way they operate, they actually don't only look at the current skills that are needed, but the future skills. For example, digitalization is something that we have been talking for the last 5 years. But 5 years ago, Skillnet was talking about that, and it's the future. So when we look at development, when we look at getting our best, our biggest asset to be the best it can be, we always associate that to Skillnet and the development and the help they provide.
So this master course, it's mainly focused on Industry 4.0 with 6 major subjects and 1 research project. It's a university level 9 master degree from Limerick Institute of Technology. So it's recognized globally, like QQI certified level 9 masters. Yeah.
One of our goals here is a factory of the future. It's digitalization. It's just to make the factory as much digital as possible. That's a very unique skill, and a unique skills that requires people to know software development, PLC programming, database structuring, network. When you put them all together, it's very difficult to find one person who covers all of them. There is always niche elements of that. So what I think that the course is doing is actually bringing all of that together.
The Irish Medtech Skillnet, the quality and the content of their training is paramount. We've worked with them in relation to masters, degrees, development into personal skills, so they tailor for all those different areas. They are constantly requesting feedback, looking for what areas, what do you need, what does Alcon need in the future, and that's fantastic to know that that's the kind of service that's been provided from them as well.
Since he started, the database structures that we used to do were very archaic, really taking a long time. Now the new learning he has taken from the course means that the efficiency of how we run databases or processing the data is amazing. And it's just one example of how transformational is what we think a unique skill that the course is giving us.
One of the biggest challenges we're seeing today is recruitment and retention as well. So it is key that we continue to support and develop and upskill our employees as much as we possibly can. And the Irish Medtech Skillnet are there to support us in this journey.